fix this strainer in the sink. Don't ever use the rubber gasket. Use plumber's putty. That's what's gonna keep it from leaking. Use this rubber gasket on the bottom, but don't use this rubber gasket for the top. Use plumber's putty. Just roll up a snake. And then when you tighten it, this plumber's putty will start to come out. You just wipe up the excess. I guarantee that won't leak. Fill up the bowl when I'm checking for leaks. Make sure the plumber's putty's set for one, but then when you let it go, make sure the rest of the pipes aren't leaking.